Good morning. Right, plan of action today. We're going to go and meet the taxi driver that brought us to Anyang from Krabi Airport. I don't really know his name because he didn't speak English. But we think he's called Mr. Fifi. That's what we called him anyway, Mr. Fifi. Yeah, he's going to take us up to Tiger Cave, Esmeralda Pool, the hot springs, and then off to get the ferry to Koh Lanta. Weird thing was, he gave us a really good price, so we was like, yeah, this guy's cool, good price, cheap. Well, it was too good to be true. He called us up last night when we was out in the pissing down rain. And well, he didn't call us up. It was his number, but it was some random woman. So I'm guessing it's either his boss or his wife, because they were asking for more money. They doubled the price, but it's still a good price. So yeah, got to take the motorbike back in a bit. Actually, we should do that now because it's getting late. And yeah, off we go. See you guys later. Oh yeah. Get them seeds on it as well, babe. My man. Morning. Thank you very much. Babe, you got my wallet? Right, we made it to the Tiger Cave. Well, entrance anyway. And then we've got to go, I don't know how many stairs, I think it's ridiculous. So it's going to be knackering. They're everywhere. I bet you can get some good honey out of that. Into the jungle we go. No playing with the dogs and no playing with the monkeys. Am I allowed to play with squirrels, you reckon? Check out him. They're so bloody fast here. Look at that. There's actually painted onto the rock as well. Mr. Monk over there. He's just chilling. That's a normal tree. And then I'm guessing this is the big tree. Yeah, stand next to it so we can see. Give it a hug, babe, like a tree hugger. Give it a big hug. So, for any of you tree lovers, I'm guessing that's the type of tree that it is. Right, so that sign earlier where I said, like, I think it's a tree name, I now don't know, because there's another tree exactly the same with a different name on it. So yeah, make what you want of that. Check under there, can we? Do you reckon we can go under there? Just cut through. Trekking through the rocks. Wait. This place is crazy. Fancy a munch on them? The trees just keep on getting bigger and bigger. Wait, I need to get back because... Yeah. It's just... Hang on, let me get back. Give it a hug, babe. Turn around, give it a hug. No, not that. Turn around, give it a proper hug. There we go. Look at that beast. Oh, and then it splits in two. And just keeps on going up and up and up. I wonder what type of lizard that is. He looks slimy.
We survived the jungle.
Yeah, we thought we was lost for a minute, but we found our way back.
We were about to build a hut and live in the jungle.
And then we just carried on walking and we're back to where we started pretty much.
Wonderland.
Yeah, we made it. I'm sweating. Walking is hard work in this heat. We was going to go up to the top of, well, you can't see, but that mountain there. But it's too far up, too long, too steep, and the back's not up to it. So we're going to skip that one. He's just chilling. Hello, matey. You friendly? I don't know whether to touch you or not. I don't want to get rabies. Yeah, good dog, good boy. I'll leave you chilling. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? Next stop, let's go.
Okay.
We made it to the entrance of Emerald Pool. Let's go see what we find. Look how far that goes up. Proper Tarzan shit. If you get in trouble in the jungle, call that number. It's another random tree name for you. Whoa, super big. 100 meters left to go, babe. 100 meters left to go, we're nearly there. Right, we made it to the pool, but it looks like it's absolutely packed. I don't know, hang on, let's do loads of people here. Fancy swimming in there, babe?
People's soup.
People's soup, yeah, I know, it's packed, isn't it? I'm still going to go in though, look at that. Free, babe, it's slippery.
Very slippery.
It's
Nice.
It's lovely.
It's nice. People's soup is nice.
This place is sick. Oh, check out this.
Yeah,
This place is absolutely amazing. I need the loo, so come to find the toilet. It's not bad, but mate, if you could smell what I can smell now, it's just wrong. Just wrong. Check out this boy.
The light, they had to go like the and then the two
There you go, for all you tree lovers. Uncle Alan. If you pause the video now, you can get a bit of info. Blue pool. Is it one of them fast ones again? I think it is. How is he just so upright on the tree like that?
It's very thin if you look at it from this angle.
How close do you reckon I can get before he goes? I don't want to disturb him, but...
You are disturbing him.
Oh, he's giving me a little dance.
Babe, you are annoying him.
I'm not... Babe, it's alright. Let me record him.
It's not alright.
He's lovely. Alright mate, I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. No more dancing or puffing your head up. See you later. Right, we've made it back from the made it back from the pools. Blue pool and emerald pool. Gonna have something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the hot springs, which I'm just thinking about it now. It's bloody hot to get into hot water, but yeah, we'll see what it's like. Okay, Mr. Fifi, let's go. Next stop,
Hot springs.
Hot Springs, yeah. Woo, that's warm. Yeah, boy. Lovely. It's pretty hot. Starting to sweat already, to be honest, but it is nice. I'm coming in. I'm coming in. Ugh. Whoa. What do you think, babe?
It's nice.
Yeah?
Once you're in, and it's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous, it's good. It's not slippery, actually.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Just a bit too hot for this weather.
Well, fine.
Yeah, I feel like I'm bloody boiling in this water, to be honest.
This is the real human soup.
Yeah, this proper human soup.
We've been first pre-boiled, and
Yeah.
now we're making the actual soup.
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Ah, that was refreshing. Bit of cold water. Yes. Movie. Okay. Hot Springs done. It's too hot. That place should be in Norway or I don't know, Finland. Not in a tropical place like this. But it was nice. Onto the ferry we go, mate. Made it onto the ferry to go to Kalanta. It's pretty cool. Check this out.
¿Has visto cómo llega la luz al volante?
Like it? Did I scare you? Sorry. You liking the boat?
I like the boaty boat.
Good.
Yeah.
It's bloody lovely. Thank you very much. There's your keep the change, yeah?
Very good.
Yeah, tip for you, mate. Really, he was good. Thank you. Kabong kab. Okay, so we finally made it to Koh Lanta. It's been a bloody long day. I'm gonna go inside and unpack. I'll show you around tomorrow. See what you think of my new crib.